Right. The Black Hobby Bird, break 50, 82, dice roll. You go 3 times. On the dice, teams first. 1, 2, and 3. The Saints up top, the Ravens at the bottom. 3 times now on your names. 1, 2, and 3. David Fritz up top, Connor Albers at the bottom. Let's sort them out. And there's your squads. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Here we go. You said what?
I'm gonna keep working on this. Stuff comes in.
Good luck, guys. The black. What's happening?
Running off 2 pieces.
Oh, weird. Like, did it give you 2 actual, like, to print off both of them?
Both. I got 1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Weird.
Should work.
In Black Hobby Early Bird. What's up, Brian? What's up, Carrie? You can guys grab your spots on the website. We're giving away a Kaboom tonight. Good luck. And 5 cards. Black 2023 Early Bird. Let's see which side we need to go from here. Josh Downs on the rookie for the Colts. I think it's throwing off the lighting a little bit. Jackson Smith and Jigba, 88 out of 99. For Seattle, going to Vince. There you go, Vince. You're on the board.
What's up, Chester? How are you?
JSN to 99. Trey Tucker, 21 out of 25 on the ink. For the Raiders, going to Jeremy Vardaman. And guys, we're giving away a Kaboom tonight. Justin Jefferson Kaboom giveaway. Tank Dell Nasty RPA, 3-color, 24 out of 99. Houston and Josh Cox. Nasty card there on the Tank Dell. Silver ink. And last card of the break, Nolan Smith, 24 out of 75 for the Eagles and Tom Shepard. In quick recap, Nolan Smith to 75, got Tank Dell to 99, Trey Tucker to 25, JSN to 99, and Josh Downs on the rookie. The Black Hobby Early Bird in the books. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill. Short and sweet.
Nice and quick.